Hello everyone. In today's session, I am going to solve absorption costing simple question with the help of Excel. ABC Limited manufacture 1000 units of product. The following costs are incurred during financial year 24-25. Prepare absorption costing. Particular amounts they have given: direct material, wages, expenses, factory overhead, office and administration overhead, selling and distribution overhead. With help of this information, we have to we have to find out cost per unit to manufacture 1000 units of product. Now heading towards the solution, as everyone knows, absorption costing is also said to be total cost costing, where we will consider each and every cost. So let's find out the total cost per unit, direct material and all that thing. If we add all these things, we will be getting prime cost. The prime cost will be 8,50,000. How to get 8,50,000? This is equal sum, open bracket, and include all these things. Then you will be getting sum F5. Apart from that, what we have to do next? Next, we have to add factory overhead. Factory overhead amount we have to add. Add factory overhead. If we add all this factory overhead, we will get work cost. Once we include this particular work cost, the amount will be 10,50,000. How to get this one? Here, what we have to do, we have to add both things. That is F9 plus F10. We will be getting 10,50,000. Apart from that, we also have to consider office and administration overhead. The amount will be 1 lakh rupees. If we add 1 lakh rupees, we will be getting cost of production. Cost of production will be 11,50,000. Now, how to get this particular 11,50,000? It's very simple. Work cost plus office overhead. We will be getting 11,50,000. Apart from that, next we have to move forward to add selling and distribution overhead. Add selling and distribution overhead. That is 80,000. If we add that particular amount, we will be getting total cost. Total cost which is 12,30,000. How we are getting this 12,30,000? Here also it is simple. Cost of production plus selling and distribution overhead. Now unit produced. How many units we have produced? That we have to, if we divide that one, we will be getting cost per unit. Unit produced, we are producing 1000 units. In such cases, cost per unit equal 12,30,000 divided by 1000. If we divide this one, we will be getting 1,230 per unit. So that's all with regards to absorption costing. I hope it's clear. It's very, very simple. See you in next video where we will learn marginal costing.